there, it's Cobus again, and we're back with Artemis under the hood. In this episode, I briefly want to look at deployments. So, I really want to illustrate how easy it is to manage and govern agentic applications or AI agents within Artemis. So, previously, we've looked at build, we've looked at resources, and now I briefly want to look at deployments. So I think with Artemis, it's really easy to deploy applications. It's easy to deploy into different environments, and also to manage the deployments and roll back. So you'll see in this configuration, I've got three areas. I've got a development area I can deploy to. You can see that the detail 7 hours ago, there was a deployment, 5 workflows, 10 agents. Then I can also go to my staging area, and I can, import the deployment. I can copy an existing deployment. So I can have varying stages or applications queued up to deploy to staging. And obviously, I must have a production deployment to deploy to production. And this deployment environment can be really set in terms of a very fine-grained approach where you can define your variables. You can set up different deployment templates and import them or create a copy. I think what's also important to note is the different channels. So obviously your AI agent needs to be accessible from different places. So now you can see I put currently these different connectors that's live. So this gives you a brief view into what connectors are available and to which of these connectors your application is deployed to. So you can see I've got the pipeline voice, real-time voice, and different other SDK integrations. And in this implementation, I've got no messaging deployments. I've also got different endpoints. So obviously endpoints is your integration to different agents as well. So you can see that I've got an entry agent here, and then I've got a whole lot of other agents or endpoints that's defined. And lastly, I can also manage my API keys. I think what's really important to note is that apart from managing your API keys in terms of platform and SDK, you can also manage your users, right? So you can, within your project settings, manage your users, and you can also decide which rights those users have. And then you can also back up your application and you can have Git integration. So I think especially for an enterprise environment, you really want to have this audit log in terms of who did what, when, where does the integration go, and who's in control of what and who did what. So suffice to say that Artemis really gives you a very detailed environment when it comes to deployment, where you're deploying to, what the endpoint look like. And maybe to the end with this also, I find it very interesting that you can also define what your entry agent is, right? So for different channels or for different UIs, you might want to have a different entry agent, and you can also define that within Artemis. Thank you.